Hey guys, in this makeup tutorial, I'm doing a collaboration with my friend Shelly again, and today we are doing a collaboration inspired by Lisa Frank. Kind of telling my age here, but Lisa Frank is very, very old school. Well, it's not super old school. It's not like 50 years ago. It may be, I don't know. It may have existed before me, but I do remember it being very prominent when I was in school, like elementary school, lower elementary. Like her stuff was everywhere in Walmart. That's mainly where I saw it. I'm not sure if it was sold anywhere else, but that's mainly where I saw it. All the beautiful colors, the bold colors. I used to beg my mom to buy me the cute little stationery, even though I never wrote letters to anybody. I just wanted to have it, just collecting purposes. I think she had planners, sticks. She had a ton of stickers. I used to decorate all my binders with those and everything else. It was just really colorful. And honestly, I think that might be where my love for color may have started, back when Lisa Frank was around. I don't know, I never thought about that before now. But yeah, I did a pretty bright look. It's semi-wearable. I always say that. It's wearable to me, okay? Yeah, I used glitter as well, green glitter. I did pink glossy lip. I normally do matte. I did do something different this time. And to achieve this look, I used the ColourPop She's a Rainbow palette. I think it's She's a Rainbow. If not, I'll correct the title on the screen, but I think it's She's a Rainbow. And it's just this nice palette of rainbow colors. All the colors in the rainbow, pretty much, with a lot of colors in between. So yeah, if you guys would like to see my look, keep watching. For starters, I am going to take an eyeshadow primer. Sorry, I'm always making a lot of noise. This is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I'm applying that first, and then I'm gonna go in with an even more vivid primer, just to make sure all my colors pop really well, because this is a Lisa Frank look, so we want a lot of color. So I'm applying this top and bottom. This is the ColourPop, I think She's a Rainbow palette, I believe. Just a palette of lots of rainbow colors. I think it's perfect for this. And I think I'm just gonna take the colors out. It's easier than just holding the entire palette up. I think the first color I'm gonna start with, actually completely forgot. I'm gonna take another base on my lid. This is the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I should know that. It's a white. You can take any white base. It's just gonna help all the bright colors pop more. And I'm just applying this. I'm gonna start off with my crease shade. I believe I'm gonna take a yellow. This one is called Sweet Spot. And I guess I'm gonna have to take these out because that's the only way I'm gonna be able to see what the names of these are, because I have no idea otherwise. Do not have these memorized. I'm just taking, this is a MAC 222, to apply this into the crease. While I'm at it, I'm going to take a brow highlight. I don't really have one in the rainbow palette, so I'm going to take a totally different one. One you're probably used to seeing. This is Urban Decay Foxy. I'm using that same brush, I'm just really cleaning it off. Now I'm going to move into some of the other fun colors. So Lisa Frank, I don't believe really uses red, so I don't think I'm going to do red either. It's a lot of blues with the dolphins and unicorns, lots of purple, pink. Let me just take a look at the inspo again. Yeah, so purples, pinks, yellows, blues, greens. That's pretty much it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna apply green to the center of my lids. I'm gonna do kind of like a halo eye. This is called No Scrub. It's like a matte lime green. It's not super bright. It's actually pretty muted. I'm going to take a flat brush for this. This is just one from e.l.f., the 201. I'm not really sure if it has a name. It looks like this. It's clear. It's a clear handle. And then it's really stiff and flat. I'm gonna use that. Packing this to the center of my eyelids. It might actually be pretty bright when I apply it, because when I apply it to the brush, it looks bright. We'll see. Make sure you don't have any creasing. It's semi-bright. It's not super bright though. I'm gonna start with this purple on the outer and then see if I want to do the halo eye. I may change my mind. This is called Seeing Stars. It's a purple, matte purple. I'm taking this e.l.f. contour brush. Yes, let's go for it. I'm going back into that yellow color in my crease. I just want to make sure that outer edge of the purple was really blended. And then I'm going back in with that lime color and I'm touching up the center of my lids. I'm sweeping that purple through my crease. I'm kind of liking how that's looking by doing that, so I'm going to do that a little bit. Not too much because I don't want it too dark. You just want to go back and forth between those colors until everything's well blended. On the center of the lid, I'm actually going to take some glitter. This is from the same She's a Rainbow palette. This is called Fire, F-Y-R-E. It's a lime green. I'm applying that directly to the center of my lid with my finger. I'm not applying any glitter primer or anything like that. And I'm just lightly pressing it on the lid for a pop of shimmer, pop of glitter. I might just do blue on the bottom, be too crazy. I do want it to look somewhat cute because Lisa Frank is very cute and rainbow and raspberries and roses and stuff, you know? So for the bottom lash line, I'm going to take blue. This is a blue liner from ColourPop. It's from the Color Outside the Liner set, but I think they sell it separately too. This is called Prance. It's one of their cream gel liners. This is blue, like a light blue. I'm going to apply this also on the waterline. So I believe I'm going to use a different liner on the lower lash line. I only applied this lighter one on the waterline. The color I'm actually going to use on the lower lash line is called DTLA. It's from the same liner set. And it's another cream gel liner. So I'm just going to apply this on the lower lash line to do my base for another color I'm going to use. I'm using a light hand, not to make it super intense. And of course, I'm leaving the inner gap open because I'm applying something else there probably. You just want to fill in between the waterline and liner just to make sure you don't have any gaps. Now I'm going to go in bright blue on the lower lash line. This is called Fine China. And I'm taking this e.l.f. smudge brush. And I'm going on there with this pretty heavily because I do want the bright blue to pop out rather than the darker blue. I'm only doing it halfway across though. Taking the shimmery blue in the inner corner. This is called Tide Pool. This is going in my inner corner, but even more brightness. Just make sure you blend into the other blue so that there's no gaps. I'm going to take an even lighter purple for the inner tear duct, or for like the inner corner of my eye. This is called Kitten Fish. It's just a pastel light purple. This is totally optional. You don't even have to do this. The brush I'm using to do this is a Morphe M433. I'm just applying this in the inner corner at the top, just to kind of brighten it a little more in there. I'm trying not to touch the blue at the bottom, but if you do, it's okay. I think I actually am going to kind of extend it so it's not, but I'm not going to bring it too far in. I like that a lot better. I'm now going to take liner at the top. I kind of want to use black, but then I kind of want to use blue. So I think I'm going to go with the blue. This is a darker blue. This is also from ColourPop. It's called CRZY. Crazy, I guess. Comes in a container like this, and the point looks like this. It's really, really pointed. Feel free to use black too. You don't have to use this. So one thing I don't like about these, they start to skip. Like, they're not smooth like they should be. Look, are you kidding me? I have to clean it up with concealer. Thankfully, that's an option. Now I'm about to do concealer at the bottom. This is ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40. I'm blending it out with this crease brush from Moda, R&L Moda. I'm taking some Troublemaker mascara from Urban Decay, applying this to the top and bottom lashes. For lashes, I'll be honest, I have no idea what these are, and I apologize. I took them out of a case. I believe they might be from Amazon. I'm not sure though. I don't know why I threw a box away. I think these are from Amazon. I'm more than positive. They look like this. They're just thinner and wispy. I'm just gonna apply these. You can use wispies. They'll be pretty similar to these. I'm taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Dark Zero Chocolate, or just Dark Zero. And I've been applying this around my mouth for hyperpigmentation. It really works for coverage. So I apply this underneath my foundation. Now I'm taking my Bare Minerals Fresh Faced Liquid Foundation, shaking it up, and applying this as my foundation. For highlighter, I'm taking the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Glow Highlighter in the shade Free. And this is a liquid. I've never used a liquid. I have used a liquid on its own before, but I normally mix these with my foundation. This will be my first time trying them on their own. So I'm curious to see how it's gonna work. For blush, I'm taking the Milani Baked Blush in Delicioso Pink. It's just a nice pink blush. For lips, I'm taking this NARS lip gloss in Love Me Do. I'm actually not sure how bright this is going to be on its own, so I might have to put something underneath. Let's see how it looks first, and then we'll determine what we're going to do after that. Hope you all enjoyed my Lisa Frank tutorial. I didn't incorporate any dolphins or any leopard, though I could have because a lot of her designs has a bunch of that stuff. Just wanted to keep it simple this time, but I did use a whole lot of color. They're not as bright as I could have done it, but I noticed that the colors in that rainbow palette, they are bright, but a lot of them are pretty muted. I don't know, they're pretty bright, I guess. I don't know. I didn't use any pink because I used that on my lips. And I didn't use the red. I could have made it brighter. But I still like the way it turned out. I used glitter. Of course, I had to. Please rate the video. Don't forget to check out Shelly's video as well. I'll have it linked below for you. Also at the end of the video, I'll have it linked for you. And also subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to Shelly as well, because we do collaborations like these all the time. And in the event you want to see more, you won't miss them if you're already subscribed to both of us. And also have your post notifications and all that good stuff turned on. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. Continue to stay safe and healthy.